Let's talk about this super long name component, chain IK Spline variable FK stack 01. Amazing. I don't know how I put these names, but that's terrible. Okay, so I have here this component, double click to create, or if you have one component, you can drag and drop on top of the other. And here it's basically based on, guess who, this one. But it has these chain IK connections to local and master. So I'm just gonna duplicate this 2 times. So I'm just gonna call here, this is gonna be local master, and just keep this clean to 0, and duplicate again, and just open the settings, and this is gonna be global master. And oh no, I don't need to change this, is to 0. For the moment the settings are the same for all 3, and I'm just gonna prepare this orientation in a way that makes more sense. So basically here I change the orientation to this one, and these 2 are like kind of world oriented with the blade here. Okay, so now I need to connect the options. Let's go here on the options. So this is similar to what we have in the previous component. And we have the local connection. So I'm just gonna take my local and connect here, local master and global. So we have these 2 connections. We have now the connection offset. This is new for some of the stack chains. And we have also here an option to indicate that this is global master. So the global master in this component is not connecting with the FK, and the reason is because the design of this component, it's first IK and then FK evaluation. So it was a double transformation and really weird behavior when we connect the FK to global also, because it was overriding other behaviors that it's not desired. Okay, so if we hold, we can see here explanations in some of the attributes of the settings. So here warnings. This is also very important to read. Okay, so let's set this to only global. So because this is gonna be the global. Take care with that. Some of the features, like if you trigger this here, maybe it's gonna create some errors. I don't handle these errors automatically for you, so it's gonna raise an error and you need to configure properly. Okay, so let's build. Okay, so we have it here. So basically we have this, it's a local connection. I'm just gonna hide the guide so it's gonna be easier to see. So the local connection, it's this one. So this is gonna connect in local. So it makes sense that this is moving this direction and this in this direction because it's a local connection. And the FK, that works as expected. We also have, if I hide the joints, you see these 2 lines. It's to help visualize the relation between the controls. And then we have the global thing. The global thing, it's gonna work in global. So you can see here, this doesn't matter. The orientation of this one it's working in global. And well, this component can be used for many things, from skirts to hair to ropes to anything you can imagine. And yeah, this is how it works. Okay, let's go over, this is the first one, so let's go over on the, oh no, I'm gonna do it in the next video, like the offset attribute. Okay, so let's finish this video here and continue with the next component.